Are you a Ninja Turtle fan? Well, you need to get one of these. This is the last Ronin. I hope I pronounced that correctly. It's a hardcover book and it's packed with a lot of colorful illustration, you know, and let's take a look quickly. Let's take a look inside. I love this red, and the inside is a great gift idea. Let's take a quick look. I'll just flip through the pages. The illustrations are dramatic, colorful. It's exciting to read. I think you would absolutely enjoy this if you are a Ninja Turtle fan. This is a comic book style that you will fully enjoy. Check this out. Check this out. And this book is quite heavy. It's quite heavy, you know, so this will last you a very, very long time. Let me just take a look at the back. This is what the back looks like. Apparently there are different artists in the book. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. And it says in the back here, who is the last Ronin?